Zurich Career Fair 2024. 25,000 hungry teenagers are on the hunt to find their dream job within over 240 options. While office jobs and influencer fame boom, electrical apprenticeships often get overlooked, even though they're the backbone of our modern world. To change that, the Employers Association of the Zurich electrical industry, EIT.zürich, launched Join Team Future, an immersive booth experience featuring 5 specially developed interactive challenges, one for each apprenticeship. The Virtual Smart Tour. On VR motion chairs, future building informatics specialists embark on a galactic adventure. Guided by Volti, they explore our connected world, zoom through space and time, and tackle 3 real-world building tech projects. The View. Stepping into the role of network electricians, visitors climb a secure mast to dizzying heights, experiencing overhead line maintenance, right in the heart of Zurich and in full 360 degrees. Planning the future. Thanks to Apple Vision Pro, young talents dive into electrical planning. Apprentice Nadine leads them through 3 hands-on tasks that call for sharp abstract thinking, planning skills, and math know-how. Roll up your sleeves. In a fully equipped workshop, tomorrow's montage electricians build their own extension cord and take it home as a badge of honor. The E-Escape-Room. A long queue outside says it all. This is where everyone wants to shine. 5 tricky tasks from the world of electrical installation can only be solved with teamwork and nerves of steel. Crack the right code before time's up, or get locked out. But how many new talents ultimately joined Team Future? Over 5,700 teenagers took on these challenges. Traffic on the youth platform tripled during and right after the fair, while online applications jumped 260%. 3 influencers reached 784,000 people, generating over 20,000 reactions. In the end, electrical apprenticeships took the spotlight, sparking a wave of fresh talent ready to power Team Future.